Patrick Masinwanyi respond to Jomo Sono after Jomo said Tito is an ant compared to him. We have a clip of Tito respond to Jomo Sono on Bucks Camp. Please like the video so that it can reach many people and subscribe. Here is the clip.
You can compare an ant to an elephant. So yeah, hindi kumbulale because into vele ngihlala kahle. Whatever izinto ashilo, maybe akakaboni ukuthi ngumuntu onjani. And for me nakusi indaba ukuthi ngidlala ibhola for prove or for kukhomba abantu ukuthi ngikwazi ukwenzani. I think ngiye groundini each and every time ukuthi ngifuna ukuenjoy ibhola, ngifuna ukuwina. Ma umuntu ngeke ubukele omunye umuntu phansi even if ungaba ubani noma ungayenzani. I think for the sake ukuthi ngidlala i-team okay wayidlalela ukwenza kahle kuwe. I think for umuntu onjengaye umuntu kumele ukuthi uyasupporta ngathi sizokwazi ukubelieve ukuthi singafika phezulu la ke afika khona because nathi sila because sifuna ukwenza ngcono than abantu abazile la abadlalile. And then baningi abasazoza bazodlala la bazofuna ukwenza ngcono. So if yena angakwazi ukusifundisa indlela eright ukuthi makunabanye abantu abasha abazodlala iLorlando Pirates ukuthi sibaphatha kanjani, so sho ukuthi nathi sizohluleka ukuthi siphathe abanye abantu kahle because sizofila ngathi masifika abantu abasiphatha kahle, so nathi akumelanga siphathe abanye abantu kahle.